Hi there. I'd like to take just a moment of your time to explain who we are and what it is that we do. Rocket Driver is a white label service provider, and since 2011, we have helped literally thousands of entrepreneurs to found their very own businesses and agencies in this industry and to grow those agencies into vast networks of wealth generating machines. Now, out there in this industry, you're going to find other companies, but you're not going to find anyone like us because we have one of the most comprehensive and robust partner programs ever developed. What we put together is so unique, you've never seen anything like it. We train all of our partners, we train their salespeople, we give them an unlimited CRM system, we give them a marketing automation system. We actually close deals for our partners with a feature called sales support. More than that, we give our partners all of the back-end support that they need to be successful with managed services and more. You're going to find another company like us anywhere in this industry. Now, I could go on and on about all this right here in this video, but I know that you'd like to talk to me live. So what I'd like you to do is click the link in the description of this video, register for one of our live webinars, which are hosted throughout the week, and come on, you're going to get a chance to talk to me in a live environment and learn exactly what we do in great detail, because there's a lot here that may be beneficial to you. Take the time, click the link, and also sub to the channel, hit that little thumbs up, and click the like button.